checklist is your overview. This would, I guess, be your skin, the paint on the house, the general over how your manuscript is going to look. This is when you can take advantage of those automated systems that are in your manuscript, such as your Word file. You can take advantage of all these, I guess, artificial intelligence use. You can use Thrix. This is where you can take advantage of those programs. So that could assist you to make this go a little quicker. Okay, so you want to do your spell check and make sure that you're either using American English or British English, and keep consistent with the same style to not interchange. And usually journals will tell you which one they prefer. That you can also look for how they use in their published articles. Sometimes you can see they use the American spelling as opposed to the British spelling, but it's important just to keep that consistent. And second, your grammar check. You're going to want to check and make sure that the articles are used correctly, the a instead of an, and that sort of thing, and that you can use automatically too. Third one here, consistency in term use and spelling. That's very important. Sometimes the acronyms that are used, if you use CI for confidence or MRI, things like that, magnetic